Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making butter beans and rice. Okay, I know I'm supposed to be doing the soup series, but I'm getting a little tired of soup, if I'm honest. But I might have one more soup up my sleeve. Okay, I'm not sure. I might be done with soup season, y'all. I might be done. Before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Gotta say a word, he give me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love.
So y'all, I used about 1.5 pounds of these. These are llama beans, by the way. They're not butter beans. Don't go to the store looking for butter beans because you're gonna find the ones that's in a can. Make sure y'all get the dry ones that's in a bag. Okay. These are large llama beans. Okay. I used about 1.5 pounds. One bag is 1 pound. So I used one bag and then half of this bag. Okay. So y'all, these beans, I let them sit overnight for 8 hours. As you can see, they swell all the way up. Let me show y'all what they did look like. This is what they look like before I let them soak overnight. Y'all, this is what they look like now. Swollen up, as y'all can see. So anyway, y'all, we're not going to be using a lot of ingredients in this today. We just had the llama beans. I do have a smoked turkey whatever. I got a smoked turkey leg. Yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do, y'all, is we're gonna go ahead and boil this for like 1 hour because we want to start getting the process started of it falling off the bone before we start cooking our llama beans. So we maybe like 1.5 hours or so. That way we can cook, you know, start cooking it together once it get ready to get falling off the bone. We're not using a lot of seasoning in this, y'all, because it doesn't really need that much seasoning because the butter beans has got plenty of flavor itself. As a lot of beans do anyway. And then I cut an onion and a bell pepper. So y'all, I did a lot of this prep work last night, so that's why I got plastic wrap on all of this stuff, because I don't be wanting to do all of this when I be recording. I be wanting to get straight to it and get done. You hear me? Dump it all in the pot and get through with it. So this is our onion and our bell pepper. And then let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, y'all. So the first thing we want to do is have this pot heated up, ain't it? We're going to add in our turkey leg, and then we're going to let this cook for about 1.5 hours. Y'all are going to need about 4 to maybe 8 cups of chicken broth, low sodium, or chicken stock, whatever you want to use. And you might need a little bit more after that, so maybe like some water after. Y'all, these containers only are 32 ounces, so that's 4 cups in itself. So I got 2 of these right here and maybe some water. All right. It's smoking like that, y'all, because I already had the pot on. Y'all, this doesn't necessarily have to cover. I just want it to be, I'm adding a little water. I just want it to be like that high. I don't really know how to explain that to y'all, but yeah. We're going to let this go for about 1.5 hours or so. Alright, so it's been about 1.5 hours, maybe 1.45 hours. Let's go ahead and check the meat. Alright, so it's getting pretty tender. We're going to go ahead and add these beans in. I done already rinsed them, and I already poured the water off and rinsed them, so we're going to just add them in. You just kind of want to make sure everything is submerged in there real good. Try to keep your meat. Oh, look at this falling apart. I'm gonna add just a little bit more liquid because I know it's going to evaporate. That's chicken broth, y'all. That's the second can that I'm still using. I'm gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire, a little dash of that. And since I did add water, I'm gonna go ahead and add some chicken bouillon. I'm not gonna put all my seasonings in yet because I'm not ready. I don't want all my seasonings to get cooked out and whatnot. Add them a little bit. I want to kind of make sure that meat stay kind of towards the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and add our onion and bell pepper. We're also gonna go ahead and add our garlic. Yeah. We got everything in here. We're gonna come back with the seasonings a little bit later. We're gonna let these beans soak up all this flavor from this meat. We'll come back and take the meat off the bone. Come back in about an hour and a half. I almost forgot to tell y'all to make sure y'all are coming to check like maybe every 30 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, okay? Make sure nothing is down there is sticking or getting stuck. I'll see y'all back here in an hour and a half. Alright, so it's been an hour and a half. Let's go ahead and remove the meat. I'm still removing this piece because I don't know if it's bones in there or not, so I'm still removing it. I did come back and make sure nothing was sticking or stuck, y'all. They do get stuck down there at the bottom, so just kind of make sure it's not stuck. Alright, I'm going to shred this meat and bring it right back. Just going to add this meat back in. Now, you can not put the skin in. Normally I wouldn't, but since I know some people in my family like the skin, I'm gonna leave it in there, but normally I would not keep the skin. Alright, so here's where I'm gonna add some seasonings, y'all. I just have a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and whatever all-purpose seasoning you like to use, just a little bit of that. But that's pretty much it for this, y'all. It is not too fancy at all. Here's where you can just go ahead and taste it and adjust the salt to whatever flavor you like. If you want a little bit more, if you want some salt in there, you can. Come back in an hour. Alright, y'all, it's only been 30 minutes. We still got another 30 minutes. Come back in the remainder of the 30 minutes. If y'all want it to be a little bit more thicker, you can add a little bit of flour or whatever you like. This is my desired thickness. And also, if it is a little runny, you can just leave the top off for like 15 minutes and it'll evaporate some of that water that's in there, or some of the juice, I should say. Yeah, this is done, y'all. We're gonna pair this with some rice. And normally people do cornbread, but y'all, I'm doing dinner rolls tonight. We're doing dinner rolls. Let's plate it up. Or a little parsley. Not a little, but that's a lot. All right, y'all, so this is how it came out. Super creamy, y'all. I did forget to tell y'all that I think I told y'all if y'all wanted to make it a little bit more thicker, you can use a little flour, or you can use whatever seasonings you want. Also, if it's a little bitter, you can add a little sugar, just a little bit. It's not gonna make it sweet or anything like that, y'all. It's just gonna balance it out. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all wanna cook, what y'all wanna see, what y'all wanna learn.
Hit that subscribe button!